Hello there Algarve lovers, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm in Olhao at the New Marina. Stunning views of the Rio Famoso in the background. Come and take a look with us guys. So there's the view from the marina rooftop terrace. There's some lovely restaurants here. We've got one there, CCC. We've just had a meal there, so check out our channel in the coming week for that video. Hit the notification bell guys to be notified for any videos that are coming up. But it's absolutely beautiful up here. They've got a lovely bar here. It doesn't open till about 6 o'clock. It might be open next 5 o'clock-ish I think maybe. They have live DJs here in the evening. It's just starting now, yeah, just opening now. That's nice. You've got the marina apartments in the background there. And then next to it, you've got the well-renowned restaurant Bamboo. It is a Tuesday and it's actually closed on a Tuesday. But let's take a walk around the marina, guys. So drop down the stairs. Beautiful view. You've got a string of restaurants. You've got Bamboo in the corner. You've got an ice cream parlour there. Gelato cafeteria. There's a string of bars there. It's quite empty at the moment. Everyone's still on the beach. It's only about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Got a little clothes shop there. And you've got to get your tickets here, all the boat trips, all the excursions you can think of, you can get there. Got a little arcade for the kids. There's some go-kart tracks there for the kids as well. Stunning views. So this marina was built about 2 years ago. And in the evening it gets really busy. We'll pop through here. I'll show you the rear of it. Got public WCs there. We've got the 5-star Marina Hotel in the background there with the rooftop swimming pool. And then you've got the Rio Famoso beach cars. You can rent these cars out. Half a day, €90. Let's take a look at them, guys. So here's little buggies you can rent out. I don't know if this first one's a mini moke. It looks like it. But they look fun them to drive for the day. Then we've got a little mini golf course over here, which I'll show you. So you've got a kids' crazy golf course there. And this is the rear of the new marina, so they're like double fronted. So you can either go to the other side, to the front of it, and sit out there, or if you're a little bit quiet, you can sit this side. There's a Japanese restaurant there. I've not actually been in there. Asian fusion cuisine, doing sushi. So it's the Marina Ria Centre, it's called. And I'm going to pop over to the Marina Apartments just over there. I'm going to have an ice cream at Choc and Nut. There's a chain of them over here. And they do really nice ice creams, waffles and crepes. So come and join us, guys. So we pop over to the other side of the road where the apartments are. Now there's a lovely little French family-run restaurant here called Henrietta's. It's an old-fashioned family-run restaurant. Now they only have a very small choice. I think they have 2 starters, 2 mains and 2 desserts, and they change them quite frequently. But all that is €13. I haven't been in it yet, but I will be trying it very soon. It looks a nice restaurant. Only small but very nice. They do breakfast, they do pasta de natas, croissants, cheeses, ham. Monday, Tuesdays they're closed. And the place I've come to go to is Choc and Nut, just over there. But while I'm here, I'll just take you to 2 of the little restaurants that I checked out the other day. In fact, Choc and Nut's closed, I think, at the moment, but it's just inside. So there goes my ice cream. Might have to go to the ice cream van back on the other side near the new marina. So this place, Taberna Iberica, this does dish of the day mixed grill, €15, which is quite good value. Got a new pasteleria on the left hand side up here. It just does snacks and coffees and beers. This other place across, Sacco Davo, this also does dish of the day for €15. Does tapas as well. Haven't been in there yet, but that will be on the hit list. So it looks like, guys, I'm going to have to go to the ice cream van, the old-fashioned ice cream van, right near the marina. Let's hope that's open, guys, yeah? Let's check it out. So right next to where all the boat tours are, right opposite the new marina, there's a lovely little ice cream van. This must be open. Yeah, it looks very nice. That is open. See if the lady doesn't mind me filming her. Hello there.
Hi.
What ice creams can you recommend?
Vanilla, chocolate or mix?
I'll have a mixed vanilla and chocolate, please, yeah?
Cone?
Yes, please, yeah. Do ice fruits as well?
You want 1 ice fruit?
Yeah, go on then, why not, yeah.
So 1 ice cream and
1 ice fruit, yeah, thank you very much. They actually sell beer as well, didn't know that. Sells cakes, crisps, wines even. No way. Best ice cream van ever. Let's just spin the camera around, guys. I'm struggling to spin the camera around, guys. Anyway, there's a nice ice cream, mixed chocolate and vanilla. And a lovely mixed ice fruit drink. Well, I'm making a right pig's ear of this, guys. I don't really know if I'm on camera. My equipment's playing up, it won't spin around. Let's take a nice little taste of this.
Yeah, I can bring that to you.
Oh, that's very nice, huh? Very refreshing. So guys, hope you enjoyed this little tour. If you'd like to hit the like button, if you'd like to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.